First we are seeing subqueries. Do I have subquery here? Okay, I will. So I will go with delete and truncate first. Okay, you have delete and truncate put in here. So yeah, so basically delete, truncate, and there is one more thing called a drop. All three deletes data from the database. Okay. So what is the difference between delete, truncate, and drop is if you have a table. Let's say I have this table. Yeah, I have this table.
Okay.
So I want to delete the data from this table. Okay, there are two ways to delete a data from the table. One is delete and other is truncate. Okay, so in SSMS there are two things. You can SQL, you can separate it in two ways. One is data DDL and DML, data definition language and data manipulation language. DDL means when you are changing the architecture of the SQL, like uh, adding a column to a table, altering a table column, creating a table, dropping a table, these are all DDL. When you are working with the data in the table, only with the data in the table, that is called DML. So both delete and truncate are DML operation. Both delete and truncate are DML operation. The one thing is when you want to delete a particular data, let's say I want to delete the customer ID 3 alone, then you should go for delete, because in delete you can have where condition. So delete from customer where customer ID is equal to 3. Let's put 3. You can delete that one row alone. Okay. Then what is truncate? If truncate, you cannot have where condition. That's all. Truncate, you cannot have where condition, so it will delete everything.
Okay.
That is delete and truncate. Even delete without where condition, it will delete everything. But delete, you can have where condition. Truncate, you can never have where condition. That's all.
Okay.
That is delete and truncate. And drop will delete the whole table itself. It will delete all the data and the table. That's all. So that is a DDL operation. Okay.
Okay.
That is delete, truncate, and drop. Next is we'll see the have to go to the next. So now we need to see what is a subquery. Okay, so subquery, basically subquery is nothing but a query inside another query. Okay, it's a query inside another query. That's all, very simple. Customer ID, name, customer ID. Okay, I will do something. Let's say I have two tables. I have a customer ID and the customers and orders table. Okay, so now there is a requirement. Okay, just see these two tables. Okay, you have two tables and I am asking you to write an I want a result, so I want you to write an query. So I want result. What is the result I want is, okay, I want the customer details. Okay, I want all the customers and their details. Like I want all the customer name, age, and country who have bought at least one item. Okay,
Okay.
I want all the custom details who have bought at least one item. So what I am saying is based on table structures, I am saying customers. This item ID is customer ID. Okay,
Okay.
item ID is customer ID. So I'm telling you that. Now how will you write, how will you get the data? Like basically you can say that, okay, by seeing you can say 1 and 2, these two people have bought the data. She bought
Yes.
some item, right?
Yes.
So I should display Alfred and Stephen, right?
Yes.
How will you do that?
Mm,
Okay, so yeah, I will tell you
uh,
that. You want to try in your own way?
yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Like uh, select start from customer. Okay. First
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
in
Customer, then.
sorry. Select start from customer where
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, customer ID in into bracket
What is that?
uh, uh, customer ID in bracket select mm, no here I don't know how to write this
Okay, until this you are right. Okay,
mm,
you said that select star from customers where
mm,
customer ID in, right? Exactly. So let's say, let's we first do a manual work. So customer ID in, you know that, sorry. Okay, so basically what you are trying to do, you want basically the customers that are in item ID. So let's say
yes
if the you can just simply take item ID that are in customers, whichever is matching, they are the customers um, you should give, right? The matching
okay
customer IDs, item ID is what you have to do. Basically, let's do this. Whatever item ID I have, I can put in here, right? 2,
yes
comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, right? This will give
yes
you the correct result now, right? See,
yes
we are getting
yes
the right result. So what I am doing, I am selecting the, okay, I am selecting the all the orders, item ID from the orders, no?
okay
Selecting item IDs from orders. SQL is like speaking English. What I am telling, that's the hint. Selecting item ID from
from
orders. That's all.
oh,
So I am doing that here. Replace that. Select item ID from orders.
oh,
So
okay
now this will give that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you will get the result now, right? See, this
okay
is subquery. See, one more thing. How does a subquery works? Okay, that you should understand. When you run this query, SQL will run the first will execute the subquery only.
okay
So, it's SQL will execute the subquery and get the result, and then only it will execute the outer query. So first it will get the result, and what will be the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it will run. Then it will run the outer query, and you will get the answer. That is the subquery. How subquery works,
okay
right?
man it means like in first inner query we got the old result like 1 to
Correct.
6
Yeah.
and then is match from customers exit or not
Correct. Exactly.
okay okay
That is subquery. What is a nested subquery or a correlated subqueries? Okay, let's say I'll do this. This is more. If you understand this, nested subquery or correlated subquery is not a big deal. Okay, let's say
Okay.
I am saying that only. Okay, what recommend? Only with the age of 20. Only people who have age of 20 who bought from orders should be able to result. Let's say first I'll write this here. You have this. Okay,
Okay.
so where, okay, I am going to do only people with the age of 20. Okay, where, so again I should item id in, I'm doing another subquery. So what I'm doing, select
Okay.
customer id, okay, from customers where age equal to 20. Now what do you think the result will be?
First, 20, age who has 20, we can find, okay, only one.
Okay, this will give 1.
Yes.
Ah, select
Okay.
item ID from orders where
Yes.
item ID in
Item ID in,
1. This is
yes,
1.
yes. Yes.
So
Okay.
which will give this one. This
Yes,
then
yes.
1. This will give this one. So run this. So this is nested subquery. You can keep on writing subqueries. You can just write here also. Again, I can write a one more subquery here,
Okay.
and that is nested subquery and correlated subqueries. Okay, you can make them unrelated. That is correlated. You can just simply I can loop in another table and make a subquery here. The different tables I can subquery here. That is correlated subquery. Okay, we call it as nested subqueries.
Okay. It
Keep
means,
on having subqueries.
yes.
Okay, got the concept of subquery.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Writing
we can
subquery
not.
is very simple. You have to first understand what result you want. Then that the result that you want, no, that is what you need to write it as a subquery.
Okay.
That's all, very simple. Say I wanted only people who greater than age greater than 20. So I am selecting the customer IDs where people with age equal to 20. Okay, that is what I want. No, those customers will come. For those customers who all brought the item ID, that's what I'm taking. For those item IDs, who are the customers? You got it?
Okay.
Any questions on subqueries?
No, no.
Okay. So I would like to you to practice this one. Okay, subqueries.
Yes.
Just have table and keep on doing subqueries. But as a DBA, do not do nested subqueries. Okay, when you are in a database, do not try for nested subqueries. You can always find an alternate. Okay, nested subqueries are not good, or not good thing. Okay, I can
Is it
do this.
like, is it slow nested
It makes
subquery?
your query itself feel slow, because
Oh,
every time it has to go in first run this query. Okay, you are running 3 queries in one query, so it
okay.
takes the time of 3 queries in one query. See, I am having like 5 to 6 data. That's not a big deal. Your real time will have 1 lakh 10 lakh data. First it will run 10 lakh data, next it will run 10 lakh data, again it will run 10 lakh data, and it is like it will make your query itself slow. It's not a
Okay.
right way. Okay, that's why we do not, subquery is fine. Nested subquery, avoid it. If there's no other way, we
Okay.
can do it. See here itself, if you see, I can write this query in a different way. See, select star from customer where customer id in, I wrote it as select item id from orders. Okay, and this I told you, no, age equal to 20. I can put a and say age is equal to 20. Finished.
Okay. Yes.
Both are same. And
Yes.
Again, second thing, I don't need this subquery to, I'll put a join and go, no. I'll join with the orders table so that based on a customer ID and item ID, and that is, I'll take it easily. That is faster than subquery again.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the thing. So subquery, it doesn't mean that you should not use subquery itself. Sometimes we will use subqueries. Okay, I will show you one query. I don't know whether, okay, I'm having this query. See, this is one query I was writing yesterday, and if you see, um, you see, I am already doing many joins, inner join, left join, and all, and I'm putting where conditions. But still, I want one particular date to be displayed apart from the joins. Okay, I did not want to do that as a join again, because I want to do some mathematical calculation on the date. So what I did was I am doing an in the select statement itself, I am doing an subquery. See, here itself in my select statement, for one particular column I am doing a subquery. See,
Okay.
so you can use it, but it depends where you are using. You should know exactly where you should use. Okay, so we cannot use it everywhere. Okay,
Okay.
so that is subqueries, nested subqueries. And then now we'll see the joins. Okay, so join, so we have many joins. Okay, so we have um, self join, right join, left join, inner join. Okay, so what is a join? Okay, so what is a join? Join is when you want to connect two tables. So I was saying, no, subquery, what you're doing in subquery, you are like connecting two table columns. No, customer
Yes.
ID, you wanted to match it with item ID. So what you did was you wrote an subquery. Okay, so that you can do it in a different way, which is you can join two tables using one or more columns. Okay, which
Okay.
is called joins. Two tables using one or more columns. One or more matching columns. So we
Okay.
have a self join which joins with the same table, like its own table. Uh, Inner join, left join, right join, and we have full outer join. Okay,
Okay.
so first, what is a self join? Okay, let's say I have two tables. I'll first write the syntax. Okay, let's say I have I have this customer table. Okay, I want to connect join with the customer table itself. Okay, that is the self join. You are joining with the same table. Select. Let's say I want a customer ID from customers as A, comma, again I want to join with this table only, customers as B, and I will have a where condition. Okay, so self join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. Okay, let's say let's write an sample. Okay, I will write something as sample where and all you can use. So I'm going to write a statement which matches customers that are from same city. Actually, I do not have customers from same city. I'll insert something. That's fine. I'll put star and I'll tell you. Okay. From so customer. Okay, customers. I'm naming this as A. Comma customers. I'm naming this as B. Okay. So now I'm star. What I'm going to do is A dot customer name as customer name 1, comma B dot as customer name 2, A dot country. Okay.
Okay.
So I have done the customer A. This is now I have joined the same table with itself. And in where condition, what I'm going to do is where A dot A dot customer ID not matching with B dot customer ID. So what I am doing is I am not the same customer ID. I'm not matching. So I'm just checking with the other customers. So what I'm doing is one. I do not want to check with one itself. So one, if I check with one, then it will show as a duplicate. No, because in same table. Let's say the same table do a copy side. Okay. If you are matching one with one, it will say okay, both are USA, so it is a duplicate record. No, right?
Okay.
Self join is like basically making a copy of the same table and joining it with itself. That's all. Okay. So that's why I'm doing customer ID not equal to customer ID means one, I will not check with one itself. I want to check with others only. See, USA 10 and 1 are duplicate countries. I want to find the 10 alone. Okay. So where the customer ID is not same and what I have to do? City is equal, which is country is equal to B dot country. What is the answer you are going to see? Which should be this, no? Should actually see Don and Alfred. See these. Now you ask no how to find duplicates in a table. See,
Okay.
you got it,
Yes.
Jignesh?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So let's say I'll remove this. See,
Okay.
it threw you like Alfred and Don itself, it threw you like 2 times.
Yes.
It will show you all the columns. Why? Can you tell why? It will show you all the columns because and self join, let's say is you just make a copy of this table here. Okay, see a copy of this table. Your self join is like joining with the same table. Okay,
Okay.
so you see a copy of this table, then you what you will say, your condition is copy of this table, and your condition is country is equal to another country. So in that copy also you'll see one USA, so that is a duplicate you think. UAE means
Okay.
that is a duplicate you'll see. USA you'll see a duplicate. UK, Spain, CR. The Spain, like in that table also you will see a customer ID 8, Carl 45 and Spain. So you will think that as a duplicate, no? Right?
Okay.
That's why you see everything twice. See Spain, it says as a duplicate because in that table you see Spain. CR it says as duplicate. But these are all not duplicate, no? Only your USA is duplicate, right? So
Yes.
that's why we put that customer ID not equal to, so that same line you should not check again. I do not want to check the same line alone again.
Okay.
So now you understand self join, and this is an way to find duplicates in a table also.
Okay.
And this way you can write delete statement also. Delete from, that's all. Sorry, straightforward. Delete from, and you have to mention which particularly exactly what you want to delete. Okay. Hmm?
Okay.
So,
Yes.
so like basically, it's better you bring in your customer ID also here, and in where condition add the where condition you add the customer ID. Let's say I'll put the A dot customer ID, comma B dot customer ID. Okay, comma. So now you know 1 and 10 no. So which one you want to delete? So that is what you say that the Alfred is the original and Don is duplicate means you should delete the 10. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that way. Mm, got it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So next join is inner join. Okay. Next join is inner join. So inner join is very simple actually. Inner join means you join with another table with matching column. Okay. With matching column. Okay. And only those matching data will be given as result. So we have two tables. And what is the matching column? Customer ID and item ID. Inner join will give you whichever column is matching. That's all.
Okay.
Only the matching column we will see. See, customer ID, name, amount. So customer ID, I am matching with customer ID. Item ID. Customer ID is equal to item ID. So what should be the result for an inner join?
1, 2.
Hmm. Only the matching data.
Yes.
That is inner join. Okay, you when you want to see only the matching data, you can take the inner join. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that is inner join. What is a left join? Left join, again you join two tables based on matching columns. Okay. You join two tables based on matching columns Okay, you take, let's say your join customer and item ID. You want, let's say this is my requirement. Hey Jignesh, give me the results of all the customers, and also I want all the customer details with any customer who has ordered something. That's all. I'm basically asking all the customer details. Okay,
Okay.
but if any of the customer has bought something, that also add it in the result.
Okay.
Can you put an inner join? If I do an inner join, you'll find the matching, whoever bought something, you will see, no.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, so that is the inner join. We did it here,
Yes.
but I'm seeing only one and two. But my requirement was you should show me all the customers. No, I do not want to see only one and two. I want to see all the customers, and if any customers has bought anything, that you show in additional.
Okay.
That you show here, like put some in addition to these columns, put some amount, or just show me the customer ID, customer name, and whatever item they bought. Show me that. But I want to see all the customers. See, 1 2 10 7 8 9 all I should see. For 1 and 2 alone I should see the item, TV and fan. That's all. Rest they are not, haven't bought anything, no. So just leave them empty. How will you do that? That you will do using left join. Okay, left join is, it will take all the data from your left side table. Left side table is when you write left join, what is the left side table? That's the left join. Okay, this is right side, this is towards the right of the join now, so that is right and this is left. So it will take all the data from the left side table, and also will bring the matching data. It will bring the matching data plus all the data from the left side table. Run this, you will see. See, 1 and 2 alone it brought the amount. Rest it didn't bring because they do not have any data in the orders. No.
Okay.
Okay. So this way you can find out. You can bring the data from your all the data from left side table as well as the matching data. Matching data with the right side table. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Based on this you can do any var condition, you can add any var condition. See, I want only those who do not, let's say my requirement changes like this, bring those who do not have bought anything from the uh, orders. How will you bring? Join with both the table, and I know those who are not, like you can do the subquery also here, no. How will you write a subquery for this? I'm saying that bring those who have not bought anything from bought anything. Select star from customers where customer ID not in, select item ID, put star from orders. Okay, then item ID. That's all. Item ID not in item ID. See, these are the people who have not bought anything.
Okay.
10 7 8 9. 10 7 8 9. See,
Yes.
both gave the same result, but which will be faster? Left join will be faster.
Okay.
But in very few scenarios, your in subquery could also be faster because left join, let's say your left side table, customer table uh, has like more than like 10 lakh 20 lakh data, means it has to go and see all the 10 lakh 20 lakh data. Sometimes your left join might be slow. At that time you can use subquery. Okay, this subquery is like could be faster when your left side table is very huge. Okay, but depends. Okay, you can run and see when there is huge data. You will not quick, you will, as soon as you hit on execute, you will not see the data. It will take some seconds. No, based on that you can decide. Okay, but you just need to know how to write query for your requirement. That's all. Okay.
Yes.
Now you understood what is a left join.
Yes, yes,
Left join will bring matching data and all the data from your left side table. That's all.
yes.
Now tell me what is right join.
Okay. Uh, like it's getting data from right side and matching data from left side.
Uh, Correct. Exactly same. You just need to change it. That's all. So right join is like whatever data from your right side and matching data from your left side. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see, I want to now my requirement is I want you to bring the orders detail. But I'm going to select everything same as this. So customer ID and item ID. Item ID. If I run this is my right join. Only my data from your right side table comes. See, all the details from all the matching data. Okay, 1 and 2 is my matching data. It came. For
Okay.
rest, all my right side table came. Okay, right side I have the amount for others, but for those I do not have any customer ID or a name no in my left side table, so they are null. You understood?
Yes, yes.
So I do not have the same what you saw it here. No, see here. Here, your all your left side table came 10, 7, 8, 9, and all came. But only for 1 and 2 you had amount, so it came. For 7, 10, 7, 8, 9, there's no amount, so it came as null. No. Same way, in your orders table, I'll go and do the orders table. When you do a right join, in your orders table, 1 and 2, you have 203. 1 and 2, you have a customer name and all. But for item ID 3456, you do not have any data here, no? So your right side table for amount displays your left side table for those matching customer name or name. There is no data, so it displays as null. That's all. You got it? That
Okay.
is right join.
Okay.
That's all. So now tell me what is full outer join.
Okay. Full. It's getting all data from the both table.
Correct. Actually, it will take matching data and all the data from both the table. That's all. See, it first matching data. Next, it does the left join. Next, it does the right join. That's all.
Okay.
You'll see all the data. It is like you see the inner join, left join, right join together. You, if you see it correctly, it's this is inner join, two
Okay.
data. This is left join. This is right join. So you'll see
Okay.
everything. That is full outer join. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. These are joins. So that is joins. To be exactly next. So we have seen joins, subqueries, correlated subqueries, very truncate, and we have to see having no next we'll see having uh, then everything is like views and all only, so those we can cover to it. So today I will finish off having, so tomorrow we'll see the rest. Okay, we have seen
Okay.
joins, we have seen self joins, subqueries we have seen, correlated queries we have seen, delete truncate we have completed, uh, transaction try catch and all we'll see at the end. Okay, store procedure and function we'll see tomorrow. View store procedure function, that's simple thing. Then transactions and then triggers we'll see. With triggers we'll see the maintain history triggers and all. Then we'll go for transaction and scope identity, and the rest is small items. Okay, so now we'll see the having. So if you are asking for having, then having is something that is a subset of group by. You know, do you have idea on group by?
Yes, like group by department.
Yeah, group by is something that you group data. So group by is, let's say, see, what is a group by? Group by is, um, okay, I am giving you a few things. Let's say phone, purses, dresses, and all. Okay, uh, your whole room is full of these things, and I am asking you to group the things. How will
Okay.
you group it? You will keep all the purses together. You keep all the phones together, dresses together. No, that is grouping. No, so grouping is keeping the similar data together, similar things together. No,
Yes.
same way. If I want to group by a country, what is grouping by a country? You are keeping similar things together means you group by country means USA you will club together.
Yes.
Nothing, everything has any duplicate, so you cannot club everything, so you'll keep it as it is. So that is grouping actually. See,
Okay.
I grouped by country, and see, let's first do only group by we'll do. See, I grouped by country and I'm putting a count on customer ID. Okay, let's put on count customer ID, put on count on country itself. Okay, I'm putting count on country. So see, it's giving USA has two data.
Okay.
That is grouping. It will give you the similar data. You can do this grouping on any column and all based on your requirement, but I'm telling you, if you want to find how many similar rows in this for this particular column, you can do this grouping. Okay,
Okay.
that is group by. And what is an having? See, let's say when you are doing as group by where select star from a table, you are doing a where condition. No, where condition for a group by is called having condition. That's all. And it can do only aggregate function, which is like if you are putting this count and all. No, and here I want you to give tell me which all country has more than one data. Then you can use having count of greater than one means it will give only those country having more than one data.
Okay.
That's all. That is having actually. Okay, and you can see all my samples. I'm saying that customer ID sum of amount as total from orders. I'm grouping by customer ID. Okay, if any custom, if there are one customer, let's say you have an orders table, and you have customer ID. Let's say item ID is in my orders table. No, and my requirement is I'm asking you, hey, find all the details of customers. Find out find out how much each customers have purchased, and give me the list of customers who have bought less than 500 rupees. Okay,
Okay.
the customers I'm asking. So your customers could have purchased multiple things in multiple days, right? Your
Yes.
customer ID would have come many times. So what I'm doing is I'm grouping by the customer ID. Okay, item ID. Okay, I'm taking this for if one item is like, let's say I'm asking you, let's say you are in a departmental store.
Okay.
So there are many items. So I'm asking you, hey, find out which item. Okay, which item has sold less than 500 rupees. Okay, so in your database you will have data for every day. So every day how much what all item has sold. So in this, you might find this item ID for past 1 month. Means, let's say it is for 10 times it has sailed. So if you
Okay.
group the item ID 10 times, so all your amount, the 10 rows will have the amount. I am summing that amount. That's all.
Okay.
Sum of that amount, and having sum of that amount less than 500. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So that is actually having. So I want you to try these two. You try these two itself. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to have an customer table and orders table. And in orders table, you have multiple item IDs, and you the same requirement I told you. Try and let me know. Okay.
Yes.
Having and group by, only if you try you will understand. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we can close for today. Tomorrow we shall continue. Tomorrow I'll be, as I told, I'll start with views, then store procedure functions, and then I will go for triggers, then transactions, scope identity. These I will take, and then the small items like users and roles. These all things, restore database kind of DBA items. I will explain you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Try these things and let me know if you find any difficulties.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Okay, Jignesh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.